Okay, for this one, we're asked to determine if these two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither, and they're in standard form. And so to figure out parallel, perpendicular, we need to know the slope. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve these, which I think is kind of what you were doing, into the form y equals mx plus b. So once I have the y by itself and positive, the coefficient of the x term would be our slope. So if I'm going to do that out, I'm going to bring the 3x over, which I think is exactly what you did. So now I have negative 2y equals negative 3x minus 3. And then we are dividing both sides by negative 2 to isolate the y, and we end up with positive 3 halves x plus, it doesn't matter, but 3 halves. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So here we'd end up with 9y equals negative 6x plus 8. Divide both sides by 9, and y equals, that would reduce to 2/3 x plus 8/9. Again, that doesn't matter. The only part we're interested in is the slope. So it looks like these are going to be perpendicular because they are the reciprocal with opposite signs. So since the first slope is positive 3 halves, reciprocal is 2/3 and then negative. So our definition for perpendicular is if we multiply the slopes together, they should make -1. And sure enough, there's our -6 over 6 equals -1. So I would say perpendicular.